Welcome to our YouTube channel, where wisdom meets inspiration. In this channel, we share valuable insights to help you become the best version of yourself. Our content is designed to uplift your spirit and enrich your life. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay connected with this incredible journey. Click the subscribe button below.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, and my dear students. It's a great privilege and honor to come to ashram. This is my fourth visit to ashram. First time when I came here, I came with Mr. Rajshekhar Bhatt, who is sitting here, and he who brought me to this ashram. After that, 3 times I came, and this is the 3rd time wherein I got opportunity to sit in the dais. And thank you for that. Thank you for inviting BASF also for this particular program. So when Ranjan sir came to our campus to discuss on what is the program for today, what I was thinking as a corporate, what I can speak here, and the topic what given or what is for today is career and community connect. How as a corporate, what we are doing. So what I thought is what BASF is doing in Mangalore, I'll be speaking only on that. See, because this topic, if you put in ChatGPT or anywhere, all the jargons you will get it. And this is very easy for you also. With simple examples, I will try to reach you what it meant for the corporate. Sorry. About BASF, we are the largest chemical in this globe, and B stands for Badish, A stands for aniline, S stands for soda, and F stands for fabric. Badish is a name of place in Germany. We are German-based chemical company, and A and aniline stands for two chemical name, and fabric in German language it is nothing but factory. See, generally what happens, wherever I tell I am from BASF, people think that it's a border security force. So I wanted to make it very clear, and you can see from my appearance also there is no chance that I'll be from that particular force.
That is BASF.
Yeah. So what we do, see, moment chemistry or chemical comes to your, when you hear about chemistry, what comes to your mind is basically it's a polluting, it's a health hazard, creating problem for the people and all. But we should understand and appreciate that without chemical, without chemistry, we cannot survive today. Whatever we are today using, maybe in the form of paint, maybe in the form of any form for that matter, whatever this paper, for everything chemical is required. So what we are manufacturing is what is required for the people in their daily life. We combine economic success, social responsibility. We combine economic success, social responsibility, and environment protection. Ma'am has already touched on this. So not only business, not only money, but we also focus on social responsibility and environment protection. So as I already told you, what we do, we reach to your daily needs. It may be in the form of paper, it may be in the form of detergent, it may be in the form of paint, what you are using. I'll give you a simple one example here, and I'll move to the next slide. See, all of us, we are using detergents in our daily life, correct? So the basic purpose is to remove the dirt from the cloth. But what happens? When you are putting the dirty cloth into the washing machine, the dirt is removed from those cloths. But there are every chances that the dirt can again stick back to those cloths, correct, right? But we are producing one chemical, and that chemical sees to it that the reverse process will not happen. In similarly, n number of examples are there. What I wanted to pass on a message to you that what we do and how it is important, chemical is important in our daily life. So coming to the green initiative, what we have taken, see how we are reaching to community or how our community connect. Everyone knows that community connect as far as corporate means, it is nothing but CSR, corporate social responsibility. You may be or you may not be familiar with this particular terminology, but whenever colleges are organizing any conferences, you might have seen these are the major sponsors. From where it comes is nothing but the CSR. So 90% of power, whatever electricity we are using, it is from the solar grid, and 90% of the steam, whatever we are generating from the agricultural waste. If you have any rough idea about any factory, the boiler runs with the FO, that is a furnace oil, but in Mangalore, we are using agricultural waste. Whatever the agricultural waste farmers are producing, that in the form of a briquette we are using for production of steam in our factory. And whatever the solid waste we are generating in our effluent treatment plant, wastewater treatment plant, ideally it should have been dumped in any of the dumping site, but what we do, we send it to the cement industry, wherein they are using as a co-fuel during manufacture of cement. So when it comes to career, anyways, I'll take your question, but I want to touch that you, as every one of you know, tomorrow, another year or so, you have to face one or other interviews. So it starts from talent acquisition, then learning opportunity. I was listening to Swamiji 1 hour before when he was talking here. Basically, the concentration or the focus, what he was mentioning, please build on that. Please build on that, because today what we are seeing in the interview, people are very good in communication. But when it comes to the technical aspects, see, you can communicate in any way you want. Need not be in English, need not be in Kannada, any language for that matter. But nimmatra technical knowledge illa ant helidre, it's a matter of very milliseconds for the interviewer to analyze and to understand you. Career development. So who has to decide that? You have to decide. See, we have listened to a good story from my own friend who is sitting here. I was not knowing him, but I was visiting his shop at least twice or thrice in a week. So career development, who will decide? You only have to decide. Rewards and recognition. Even Swamiji was telling, people are only behind money. People think that my salary is 5k, 10k, 20k, 30k, 40k. But at the same time, money is required. He also said, money beke beku. Adre, we also need to focus on other aspects also. And benefits, all other benefits, whatever legally you have to get, you will get it. See, coming to the social responsibility, what we do towards the society. How as a corporate, we are connecting with the people in and around our community. Ma'am has already explained to you SDG, so sustainability development goals, and we are also focusing on 4, which talks about quality education, and the other one is 6, which talks about clean water and sanitation. So what we do here, basically we are focusing on the government schools or any setup wherein infrastructural, they are in need of infrastructure. And anyways, CSR vision, guiding principle, all those you will come to know. So by doing all these activities, we are reaching to community. 1 or 2 aspects I want to touch here. What we do, see, today in government schools, you can see basically they are in difficulty of getting students is one, and again infrastructure. So till last year, till 2022, basically our focus is on sanitation. But now slowly we are also moving towards digitalization. So what we are doing is we are providing the digital classroom to the government schools. Tomorrow what happens after 10th standard, when the students from the government school have to compete with the students from the other means English medium or the CBSE schools, they also should be well equipped. Thinking that we are also going for one step ahead with the digitalization and all other aspects, you know as a corporate social responsibility what we need to do towards the society. Last, I want to touch on this, how we are reaching to community, or why the career and your CSR is connected. See, this is a unique concept which BASF has come forward. First of all, why this was designed is basically today the people are losing interest towards the chemistry for varied reasons. Maybe your job market, maybe you have to work with the chemical, maybe shift operation, whatever it may be. But when it comes to how we can inculcate interest towards chemistry in young minds, we came up with this particular concept of Kids Lab. See, what happens is we are inviting, in this particular program, we are inviting the kids basically from the government schools, and we are explaining to them in the form of experiments, simple experiments, why chemistry is required in our daily life. So here what we have done in a unique way, here we have involved our employees as a mentors for training the students. So you can see now how your career in a MNC is connected with the CSR to the community. And again, we have also involved the student volunteers here, because it's a long program of 10-15 days what we do, even the student volunteers. So you as a student volunteer or whoever attended this program, before entering into a corporate world, they are also getting a feel of how the corporate functions. So I thought I should share this, and this has also given a very good result. So sir was mentioning, I had done almost around 100 plus recruitments. See what happens in the manufacturing, it's not like ITs wherein we will have 1,000, 10,000, 20,000 and all as a recruitment. We take only numbers. But during the last interview which happened somewhere in December of last year, when I was interviewing one person who had done diploma from KPT, he was mentioning to me, see why I asked, or my boss asked a question, why you took chemistry or chemical as a main discipline. So what he told is, I attended somewhere in 2005 or 6 this program in Pilikula. Then I decided that I should pursue my career in chemistry because I love chemistry. So I feel that's what our idea was, and we could able to reach whatever was there in mind. With this few words, thank you for giving me this opportunity, and I'll be open to your questions. Thank you.
Become Swami Vivekananda's messenger. Share the video with 3 of your friends.